Moving people to Windows 11 or refreshing devices shouldn't mean lost time. What if users could sign in and instantly feel at home? Same settings, same Microsoft Store apps on the Start menu, so they get back to business faster. Migrations and device reset or reimage can stall productivity, spike support tickets, and frustrate users, right when IT teams have the least bandwidth to spare. Meet Windows Settings Backup and Restore, an enterprise-grade way to securely preserve user settings and the list of installed Microsoft Store apps and restore them during the Windows 11 setup flow or at first sign-in. It's admin-controlled. You configure policies once. When a user signs in to a new or re-imaged Windows 11 device, they can choose to restore from a backup, cutting troubleshooting, reducing migration risk, and accelerating time to productivity. Settings backup data is encrypted in transit and at rest, stored in your tenant's region, and handled under Microsoft's standard privacy and compliance commitments. Here's Robin. Their PC was replaced. They sign in with their work account during setup, see the restore option, select their previous device, and continue. After sign-in, their desktop wallpaper, personal settings, and Microsoft Store apps are restored, ready to work. The same restore option is also available at first sign-in on Microsoft Entra Joined, Microsoft Entra Hybrid Joined devices, and cloud PCs. And when IT plans to reset or re-image devices, the experience stays familiar. Fewer tickets, faster transitions, less change management overhead. Ready to get started? There are two separate policies, one for backup and one for restore. These can be managed using any MDM solution or with group policy. Backups run automatically every 8 days, quietly protecting your environment in the background. So when the unexpected happens, a lost laptop, a hardware refresh, an accidental reset, it becomes a fast, seamless recovery instead of a costly disruption. Think of it as built-in insurance. People stay productive, their settings stay protected, and nothing skips a beat. And you stay in full control throughout. For step-by-step information on configuring, scan the QR code on the screen. Between scheduled backups, users can run an on-demand backup anytime from the Windows Backup app, useful right before a planned device swap. Windows Settings Backup and Restore is built right into Windows at no extra cost. It's available on Microsoft Entra Joined and Microsoft Entra Hybrid Joined devices, including cloud PCs, running Windows 11 Enterprise, Windows 11 Education, or, if domain joined, Windows 11 Pro. Scan the QR code on the screen for the full requirements. Ready to help people pick up right where they left off? Take advantage of Windows Settings Backup and Restore today.